What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I wanted to share this amazing transformation. You can see this is my haworthia luella. Now I'm going to show you another luella that is in the same pot. They receive the same amount of sunlight, that is around 6 to 7 hours of morning direct sunlight, but you are going to see a major difference. So this is the first luella. Now the only difference is this one received watering. I probably watered it last evening. You can see there is a good amount of color, but the center is turning green because it is getting hydrated. Now this change has happened because I hydrated the succulent. Whereas the same pot, I have this one over here. You can see she hasn't been watered. The soil is dry on this side. The soil is wet over here. You can see it's darker in color. The soil is lighter. I might have not watered this. Probably the last time I watered her was maybe 2 or 3 weeks ago. So you can see the major difference. Same spot. Only difference is that it hasn't been watered. Receives the same amount of direct morning sunlight. Same soil, same pot. Only difference is the watering. Absolutely beautiful, stunning color. And here we have beautiful color, but more on the green side. So if you want to have that amazing color, you have to stress it a little bit. But be careful, especially if you are a beginner. I wouldn't encourage you to do the stressing process, because a lot of times if you do not have a lot of experience, you might end up either burning the succulent or dehydrating it excessively. So if you are a beginner, focus on the health of the succulent. Stressing process can be done later when you get a good amount of experience. So that's about it guys. I hope that you liked this video. If you did, please hit the like button, and if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing to it. Until then, take care, stay safe and keep propagating.